Hey YouTube, what's up? So I got this new air fryer from Amazon. It's 1500 watts, which is good for my power consumption. I have a 2000 watt inverter, and so if I was running this when I'm not hooked up to shore power, I would run my engine for my second alternator. But I was just getting sick of all the food that I was cooking, 4 years in the van. Haven't had a lot of options. The toaster oven works, but not so great. So I thought I'd try this out and try a couple cool recipes I saw online. So yeah, let's get to it. And I'm first gonna make some cinnamon buns, actually. Okay. Oh, nice. First attempt at cinnamon buns in the air fryer. Pretty good. I'm gonna try making pizza tonight. Apparently you can make pizza in it, so I'm gonna give that a shot. I was just gonna get tortilla shells, but I saw this of ready-made pizza crust, so I thought this would be good to try, and just a bag of pepperoni and some mozzarella and some pizza sauce and a jalapeno pepper. I'm actually going to put the crust in first to crisp it up a little bit. I'm putting it crust side up to crisp the bottom of it. Let's do that for 5 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever. Alright, the bottom of it's nice and a little bit crispy. Some pizza sauce. Cheese. Pepperoni's on there. Jalapenos. Cheese. Back in the air fryer. And I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes to start. And we'll see how we're doing then. Alright, it's been 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, damn. I think we are done. Alright, there we go. It's pretty freaking awesome if you ask me. Now for the taste test. Hopefully it's cooled off enough that it's not going to burn the roof of my mouth. Yeah. It's so nice being able to cook pizza in my house. I love it. Okay, so we're going to try out grilled cheese, and I'm making it with pepper jack cheese, and instead of using butter, I'm using mayo. I saw this on TikTok of trying mayo instead of butter, and it's supposed to be really good. So I'm just going to spread the mayo on it. Alright, so I'm going to put this down like this. Cheese on top. All right. Apparently it's 370 for 4 minutes. And you have to flip it over after that. So we'll see you in 4 minutes. Flip it over, do another 4 minutes on this side. Ding. Check that out. Ketchup. Let's try this baby out. Lots of cheese. That's really good. Alright, grilled cheese works. Definitely. Back again. I'm going to try making a breakfast meal in here with a tortilla shell, cheese, and eggs. I'm going to put the tortilla shell down in there. Couple slices of cheese around. Couple slices of jalapeno. Apparently you just crack an egg in the middle of it. Alright, I'm going to put this in there. At 360 for about 5 minutes. We'll see what it looks like then. I'm excited. Alright, she's done. Let's see what we got. The egg still looks a little runny. Cook it a little longer. Okay, so 5 minutes wasn't long enough the first time, so it's probably more like 8 minutes in total, but she's definitely done now. This baby on a plate. Need some sriracha mayo to put on it. Just fold it over. Oh, that's hot. Might have to wait a minute, it's too hot. It's really good with the sriracha mayo on it. Another good meal out of this thing. So good. Alright, so there you have it. That's 3 meals and a snack made in this thing. I think they all turned out really excellent. I really like this thing. It's definitely going to be an appliance that's sticking around for me with not having an oven. So yeah, this is fantastic. I'm going to try a few more recipes later on this week. And yeah, my back's doing a lot better. And been in the pool, been in the hot tub here, and still have to figure out where I'm traveling next to. But I'll see you guys next week. Take care. Bye.